What's going on, guys? Ryan Stratton here, back with another video. Now you're probably wondering, why are we on a B7 in Horsforth? Are we on the 30? No, we're not. We're on the 29. This is an ex-Glasgow B7 what Yorkshire buses now have on loan from somewhere else. Kilvington's, but I think it went somewhere after that as well. I don't know, guys, but all I do know is that it was at Kilvington's at some point, and it was at first Glasgow, but now Yorkshire buses have it on loan from somewhere. But yeah, it's on the 29 today, guys. SF54 OTW. We're going to be riding it down to White Rose. So this is kind of a backseat, guys, but a mini vlog as well. So I'll be showing you the outside of it when we get off as well. And of course I have explained its history, or part of it, the part of the history I know. It does still have simple city branding as well outside of it, which is a Glasgow thing. So yeah, guys, and we've got a screen there still as well. The screen's still there from when it was at first Glasgow and stuff, which I think is actually pretty interesting, guys, if you ask me. And of course it's still got the first like interior and everything, like the seats, the poles, everything like that. You would think it's the first bus B7, but of course on the outside you'll see in the thumbnail it's obviously blue. But yeah, guys, I guess I'll see you along parts of the route, well, in my backseat video. But yeah, I'll see you then, guys. Guys, this B7 also does have a right hoover on, as you'll hear. It's a really loud hoover. It was louder just a few seconds ago. guys, so that's going to be the end of the video of the B7TL Gemini at Yorkshire buses on loan. You'll realise I'm now on the Wright Eclipse Urban, on the free, back into Leeds. And guys, I've just ran through the White Rose Centre because getting off the B7 I needed to go toilet, you see. But yeah guys, I literally had to run to get this Wright Eclipse Urban because I saw it when we got off the B7 at White Rose. I saw it, so you know, I thought I'm not missing that. But you know, so I had to run to get it. Ran as fast as I could. We got it. So yeah guys, even though waiting anyway, I'd have probably made it even if I didn't run as fast as I did. But you know guys, I don't believe in missing good buses, and we're setting off now. But yeah guys, the conclusion for that B7, I really love it. Probably the best hoover in West Yorkshire for the B7s. So yeah guys, it was really brilliant. It did just drive out not too long ago, like a few seconds ago it drove out, so it is gone now, and we're going to be driving out as well. So yeah guys, it's been a brilliant B7 with that. And I didn't even know it wrecks first Glasgow until this morning, and then I were wondering what it would look like on the inside, and of course X first, like first style it was. So yeah guys, it was really good. Best hoover around. I know I've said it, but I really do think it even beats 32517 in Huddersfield. I never thought I'd say that. But yeah guys, there's the beasty Wright Eclipse Urban engine. But anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give that video a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in next video. Bye.